Assalamu alaikum student. Today our new topic of second term prefix. Here are the definition of prefix. Addition of some letter words at the beginning to change the meaning. Means if we add some word before the word में, इसका मतलब ये है कि हम एक लफ्ज़ है उसके पहले हम दूसरा कोई चीज़ ऐड कर देते हैं तो उसकी मीनिंग चेंज हो जाती है. लाइक अन, इफ़ वी ऐड unfit, it will become the change meaning unfit. In the same way, if we add un to a safe, it will change the meaning unsafe. In the same way, tidy, if we add un before the word tidy, it will change the meaning untidy. Complete, if we add in it will change the meaning also incomplete. Secure, if we add in before secure, it will change the meaning insecure. Obey, if we add this, it will change the meaning disobey. Play, display. Agree, disagree. This all changes the meaning. Prefix always used before the word. If we add any word in it before, it will become prefix. Export, exhale, extract. If we add ex to the port, it will change the meaning. In the same way, hail, if we add exhale, it will change the meaning. Tract, if we add ex to the tract, it will change the meaning. Okay. In the same way, suffix, addition of some letters word at the end टू चेंज द मीनिंग. यानी कोई भी वर्ड हम लेटर जो है एंड में इस चेंज करें यानी ऐड करें और वो मीनिंग क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. जैसे हम लिखे एबल, अगर हम आखिर में इफ़ वी राइट एबल एट द एंड, ईटेबल मीन्स मीनिंग चेंज. मूव, इन द एंड वी यूज़ एबल, it become the meaning change, movable. In the same way, if we add this and if we add able, in this we add able means suffix we add disable. In the same way, full is a suffix and we add full at the end of the word, it will change the meaning like forceful, hopeful. Okay. If we add y means suffix and we add at the end of the word, okay, it will change the meaning like noisy, sleepy means sleep, we add y, it will become sleepy and meaning change. Like dirt, dirt is the word and if we add y to the meaning, the meaning will change, dirty. Er is also used at the end of the word and its suffix and it's change the meaning. Like garden, if we add er, it becomes gardener. Teach, if we add er, it becomes teacher, meaning change. Furor, if we add er, it will change the meaning further. Okay. This is suffix and this is the work which you have to do it in your copy. And here are the some words. Prefix, if we add un, cover, if we add cover and we add un to it, it means it is a prefix and it is adding before the beginning of the word. Okay, it becomes uncover. Like view, if we add re to the word re, it becomes review, meaning change. In or im, if we add stead instead. Patient, if we add before word im, it becomes the change meaning, impatient. Im and in is a prefixes. Okay. Like this and divide, disrespect. These are all prefix because it is add before the word. It means beginning of the word. N and M is used. N and M is prefixes because it is used in beginning of the word. Enslave, embolden. Pre is a prefixes and it is used before, means beginning prefix. Miss is also a prefix and it is used before the beginning of the word mistaken. A is also a prefix because it is used in the beginning of the word atypical aside. Here are the suffixes word. Okay, and in suffixes, as I told you, it is used at the end of a word and it also change the meaning. Like s and es is a suffixes and it is used at the end of the word, like characters, riches. Ed is a suffixes because it is used at the end of the word, walked. Ing is the suffixes because it is used at the end of the word walking. Ly is suffixes because it is used at the end of the word safely. Er or or is also a suffixes because it is used at the end of the word drummer, dishonor, bigger. Shun and sun. Okay, these are the word suffixes and it is used at the end of the word tension. Able, okay, this is also used as a suffixes and it is used in end of the word reversible. Al, it is also a prefixes and it is used as a ending word of the word partial. Okay, this is the prefixes and suffixes word, so you can easily understand, and please do write in your copy also as a homework. Thank you.